Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to rename a column header in Google Sheets, the simple, effective way to keep your spreadsheet organized and easy to read. Whether you're prepping a class roster, tracking expenses, or collaborating on a project, a clear column name can save you a ton of time and confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to relabel your columns with custom headers, make them stand out, and even keep those headers locked in place as you scroll through your data. Alright, let's dive in. A quick note before we start, in Google Sheets you can't actually rename the true column letters you see at the very top. Those A, B, C labels are fixed system markers and can't be changed. But here's a little trick, almost everyone works with headers in the first row right beneath those letters, and those headers act just like your column names. So when people say rename a column in Google Sheets, most of the time they're talking about editing the header row. Let's get started. First up, click directly on the cell at the very top of your data underneath the column letter where your column header lives. For example, if you're tracking names in column A, that header cell could already say name, or maybe it says something generic like column 1. Just click once to select it. Now you can type in whatever new name you want. Maybe you want full name instead or team member. Go ahead and type that in. Why is this step important? Giving your columns meaningful headers helps everyone, yourself included, quickly understand what sort of information lives in each section. It's especially helpful down the line if you're using formulas or filtering data. If you mislabel a header or leave it blank, it's like having a shelf with no label at the store. You'll keep opening the wrong box until you write the right name. Next, once you've edited all your column headers and you're happy with them, here's a strong tip. Let's freeze the first row. Freezing this row keeps your column names visible no matter how far down you scroll, which is a total lifesaver if you're working with a big data set. To do this, move your mouse over to the left edge and look for the gray bar right above row 1. Click and drag that bar down just below your header row, usually row 1. Or even easier, click on View in the top menu, select Freeze, and then choose one row. Now as you scroll, your headers stay put at the top like the title on a book. But let's take it up a notch. It really helps to make your headers visually distinct by adding a splash of color. Select your new headers by clicking and dragging across the row, then hit the Fill Color icon in the toolbar. Usually it looks like a little paint bucket. Choose your favorite shade, something that stands out but doesn't make it hard to read the text. This step might seem small, but it gives your sheet an instant upgrade. It's like highlighting the chapter titles in a textbook. Whatever the subject, it makes finding info so much easier. And there you have it. We've edited your headers, frozen them in place, and made them pop with color. Super straightforward, but incredibly effective for any spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips for organizing your sheets. And if you want more easy tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.